Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Spectrum modem blinking blue and white. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here with your Spectrum modem blinking blue and white? So there are a few things you could do here. So first is you could try to power cycle the modem. So first thing you want to do is you want to turn off the modem. So wait for about 30 seconds and turn it back on. And this simple step can often resolve a lot of connectivity issues. Now, if power cycling doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is you want to check the cable connections. Now, what I'm talking about is going to be the connections that you usually see at the back of your modem. So in this case, you want to go ahead and check all the cables. So ensure all cables connecting to the modem to the wall outlet and your devices are securely plugged in. Now, if the cables are not properly connected or you don't hear that click whenever you connect it, then it means that it's not properly connected. So make sure to connect them. Now, if none of those actually work, the next thing you want to do is you want to reset the modem. Now, if power cycling doesn't work, try resetting the modem. Now, what you need to do is you need to look for a very small reset button on the back or bottom of the modem. So it depends on the type of modem that you have. So you want to press and hold this for 10 to 15 seconds and release it, allow and a few minutes for the modem to reboot. So basically just hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then release, then wait for a few minutes and you should be good. Now, just to give you some idea here, this is actually a page from Spectrum themselves. So this is an illustration that they have. So typically, let me just zoom in quite a bit here so that you'll be able to see it. So yeah, and on this one, as you can see, there's a small reset button at the back of the modem here. So it depends, again, depending on your modem. So you want to press and hold it for 5, or in this case 10 to 15 seconds and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.